Now, who said chocolate girls can't rock blonde hair? Okay. So this video was inspired by Tierra Monet's blonde hair for brown girls look, so I decided to do it for the chocolate girl. So I'm going to begin by toning the hair. I'll be using Wella Beige Blonde Toner. What is it? T138? I don't know the number of it. But I'll be using 2 bottles of it to tone the hair. Should have probably done this mixture in a bigger mixture bowl because it was a mess. So remember that with each 1 part Wella, you have to use 2 parts 20 volume developer. I forgot all about that and my bowl was too small. So I mixed 4 parts 20 volume developer with my 2 parts Wella toner. To create this look, I'll be using 1 bundle of 14-inch and 1 bundle of 12-inch and a 14-inch lace frontal from Gloria collection. So I decided to start working on the bundles first. I applied the mixture to the bundles with the hair and just basically just soak it to tone the hair properly. So you can see the difference of the hair that's toning and the hair that isn't toned. So now I'm going to move on and tone the second bundle as well. Working with the frontal, I just parted and applied the toner first before I darkened the root. I don't know why I did this, but I did it. So now I'm applying the toner to the rest of the hair of the frontal. So now I'm going to darken the root of the hair. I'm going to be using Revlon's Color Silk. I think it's medium ash brown. The shade is 50. So yeah.
Not shabby at all. But the fact is we moving too fast, but the thought passed me when I got lost inside of your eyes. Cliche to say, but too true. Picking up Danny's, you always wanted a dandy man, you did. Not a candy man, I don't sugarcoat nothing. Extra cash come in handy. Good thing we saved up extra before we ran away from home. We gotta go.
So I washed and conditioned the hair after it was processed. I let it process for about, an hour? Yes. And I constructed the wig like so. And now I'm going to flat iron it and style it as I please.
Something that was so new, something that was so true. I can't let it go. You hold no lies, you speak what's on your mind. You speak in different times, you speak in my language, the love and the anguish, forever and the end. But I don't wanna think about it. Money and the time, come on, let's spend it. Don't you pretend we ain't shit with
I'm sorry. It's like the first time I rock this color and I really like it. Ooh. I really like this hair. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll leave the link to the hair information down in the description box. Thanks.